Okay, folks, let's look at this function machine question. Okay, so question 2. Okay, taken from the White Rose Maths website. Okay, here is a function machine. So we're going to input, add 3 times by 5 and we get an output. So first part, what is the output when the input is 4? So when the input is 4, guys, we have 4 plus 3, okay, which is 7, and then we multiply that by 5. Okay, 7 times 5. We get 35. Okay, so when the input is 4, guys, the output reads 35. Okay, what about this next one? So what is the input when the output is 10? So this time I'm starting with the output, okay, the outcome, and I want to work out the input. So I'm actually going to work backwards. So I'm going to divide by 5 first, and then I'm going to subtract 3, okay, because that's the opposite. That's the inverse processes, okay, of adding 3 and then times it by 5. So we do 10 divided by 5 first, which is 2. And then we do 2 subtract 3, 2 minus 3, 2 take away 3, and we get -1 or -1. Okay, think of it on like a number line. We start at 2 and we go 2 places. 3. 1, 2, 3 jumps. Okay, so that's 1, 0, -1. Okay, or -1. Okay, 2 minus 3 is -1. Okay, next part. Write an expression for the output when the input is A. So when the input is A, we have A plus 3. Okay, I'm going to put that in the brackets, and that's been multiplied by 5. Okay, I've got a single bracket here, so I can write it as 5 lots of A plus 3. And the reason for the brackets, guys, or bracket, is because I'm making it clear to the examiner that using BIDMAS, I do the bit inside the bracket first, so I do A plus 3 first, and then I multiply it by 5. With no bracket, okay, you might be thinking, well, isn't that just A plus 3 times 5, so using BIDMAS, isn't that just A plus 15? Well, it's not, no, okay, because adding 15 is not the same as adding 3 and then timesing by 5, okay? So it can't be that, okay? So be very careful here in the exam, guys, okay? So always follow it in the order. We start with A, we add 3, and then we multiply that answer by 5, okay? So we have A plus 3, A add 3, okay, the sum of A and 3, and then we multiply that by 5, okay? Which I can just rewrite as 5 lots of A plus 3, okay? Or even, they will obviously accept 5A plus 15, okay? That also works, okay? Although it's not as obvious there, but that also works, okay? But the correct answer is 5 lots of A plus 3 in brackets, or 5A plus 15, okay? If you expand that single bracket out, okay? That's function machine summarized, in just 3 minutes, okay? Thanks for watching.